Alright, welcome back everybody to Operation Morris. This is Comintern, turn 6. We will start out with the CCP. So just a couple of combat moves for the CCP. Our mountain infantry in Singhai is going to walk into Tibet and take that. And our cavalry that is in Sinkiang is going to come into Singhai and sit here, I think. Since it's a desert, it has to stay in Singhai after crossing it. Can't move too. So it's technically a non-combat move, but that's going to be it for the CCP. We collect 4, and we'll roll recruitment, or not collect 4. We will roll recruitment on a 4 or less. So we'll go ahead and roll that. And miss at a 10. We do have 3 IPP in the bank that we're going to be using to buy a cavalry. Although now that I have actually noticed that this desert is here, I think I might be swapping that to just a regular infantry instead of the cav. So same amount of money spent, but it's going to be a infantry instead of a cavalry unit. And then that's going to clear us in the bank. We'll collect 2 since we have our wartime bonus. We'll go ahead and place that. We'll place it in thinking. Okay. We'll go ahead and do Mongolia recruitment since we're over here. 16th on a 4 or less. So that's a success on a 1. We'll do another infantry for Karulin. And in the Far East, we're not going to do anything. We are going to keep our Soviet sub at M8 for now. All that's going to be there. We do need to do our recruitment roll, or not recruitment roll, our influence. Wow. Brain is frazzled. Okay. We need to do our income roll, since that could affect some of the things we do. So our last D6, let's hope for some money. It's a 3. So it moves us up to 13. It does mean we still only get our 1 tech die, which we will use for improved construction. And we miss on that. So continue to not have great luck there, but all is well. For our Soviet buys, we are going to be limiting the CCP instead of a cav unit. We're going to do an artillery instead, so it's going to be 4 of our dollars, and then we're going to buy 2 artillery for ourselves. I think we're actually just going to buy 1 artillery for ourselves, so that's going to be $8 out of our bank, takes us down to 7, and then we are now collecting 13 to put us up to 20. So we'll go ahead and bring these units up here. The CCP artillery goes into Sinking, and the Soviet artillery is going to go into Oral Kursk. We are going to rail our cavalry in Oral Kursk down to Transcaucasia, and then everything else is going to stay where it is currently at in the Soviet Union. Ship movements include the torpedo boat destroyer that is in A5 is going to move 1-2 into A10, and our heavy cruiser and destroyer in A28 are going to move 1, 2, 3 into A23. And at that point, I think we will call it a turn for the Comintern. So we already collected our money, placed our units, and done our recruitment roles. I think that has everything covered, and so we will turn it over to the vet for Japan turn 6.